Hi guys! Good morning! And thank you for watching English Carabao. So ngayon po, isasama ko kayo sa trabaho ko. Actually, yung call time ko sa head office is 8 AM. Pero ngayon is magsi 7 o'clock pa lang. At kahit malamig, kailangan kong maligo. Yan tayong mga Pinoy eh. Parang hindi tayo makapagsimula sa araw natin nang hindi nakakaligo. I'm really joking. So kahit nandito tayo sa abroad, kailangan pa rin tayo magtipid. So ako, kahit sa office ako nagtatrabaho ngayon, kailangan ko magbaon. Diyan, kanin, tsaka itong ulam na to actually is galing sa kaibigan ko, sa isang follower ko sa YouTube. Nagluto kasi silang mag-asawa ng pinag-uong ng baboy na may kangkong. So, hindi ko kinain kagabi. Bakunin ko ngayon. Sarap! Thank you, Erlene. Thank you, Joseph. Ano ba? So, ayos na to. Kailangan ko magdala ng kutsara kasi walang kutsara sa opisina. Ang libre lang sa opisina, coffee, tea with milk, water, hot and cold. Ganun lang. Time check po is 7:11 na. So, kailangan ko lang umalis. Paano ba? Kantay pa ako ng elevator. Ito actually yung difference ng ikaw lang yung morning, tapos dalawang kasama mo sa kwarto pang hapon. Kikilos ka mag-isa. Okay, so time check it's 7:15. And nasa taxi na ako. And papunta doon in just 10 minutes. And eto na. The reason kung bakit ako nagta-taxi is because wala talagang bus diretso dun. So medyo magastos. Hi po sa lahat ng mga taga-Japan na nanonood ng video ko. Kay Ruby. And sa lahat po ng taga-Kuwait, taga-Saudi Arabia, Singapore. Ayun. Thank you po sa panonood nyo ng videos. We're almost hitting the light. This is airport tunnel.
Yes, airport tunnel.
Yeah. And many people are avoiding this area now because of the salik.
Yeah.
Sabi nga dito sa Dubai, mura lang daw yung gasolina. Petrol is cheaper. But you know, paying salik is more expensive. Alright guys, so this is already part of Rashidia. And this is
right, huh?
Omramol Street.
This right?
Yeah, this right, pare. So you can see that's National Trading Developing Establishment. That's our office. So we have to go there. Kalat na yung sasakyan ng opisina namin. And this is the new warehouse of NTDE. So soon the office will be transferred here. And for now, the head office there. So just in front of this office.
Yeah?
Yeah, here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dumating na ilang employees. So lahat sila ay may sariling tawag nito. Anong tawag dyan? Car leave provided by the company. I'll show you. Since ako yung area ko is different, I'm really away from everyone. So no choice, I have to take taxi. Time is 7:20. So I still have more than 30 minutes before my duty. So tambay muna tayo. Yay! Okay. Hi guys, I would like to meet, of course, our security guard here. When I was new in the company, he's also new. No? Is that correct? You still remember? Yeah, before that was 3 years ago. So how long have you been in the company now?
Only 2 years.
See, so we are of the same batch. So it's 3 years now in the company. From which country, pare?
India.
Are you Indian?
India.
Yeah, he's from India. A lot of people are Indians, Pakistan, Sri Lankan, and Bangladeshi inside. And some little Filipinos. Only few Filipinos, right? Yeah. Okay. This is Aaron. Aaron, the pangit guy. Show the work. Dry item first. What, Julie? Bye-bye. What? This is the most expensive water on earth. Fiji water. And this guy is very cheap. Bye-bye. Okay guys, so time update. It's 7:30. So that's 30 minutes early. Nandito na ako sa office. So, hindi na pwede mag-video. Hi guys, mapakilala ko sa inyo si ate ni Risa. Ayan, ang napakabait na office girl dito.
Hindi totoo yun. Salbahe ako. Ay, ano pala. Suplada.
No, hindi ate. So, ito maaga kami pareho kasi nga may mga ginagawa kami. So, ayan po siya. Taga saan ka dito sa Dubai, ate?
Hello, I'm from Sharjah.
Ayan, taga Sharjah siya. So, free transport din yan. Kaya,
Yes.
tipid siya kaysa sa akin. Okay guys, so time check, it's 1 p.m. and 10 minutes. So 1:10 in the afternoon and lunch break. So pupunta ako dito sa pantry. Let's go. Okay guys, update 6:47, 6:45 to be exact. Pa-out pa lang ako, supposedly 5 o'clock out ako. Pero I have to extend, ang daming trabaho. There. Ayun yung mga iba na naiwang taga ibang department. So, uwian na. Ngayon ay mas maganda kaysa kahapon kasi nga kahapon walang lunch, walang tayuan. So, today ayun, my operation manager give me a chance to eat. So, good thing nakapagbaon nga ako. And ano pa ba? Grabe, ang daming challenging na mga situations kanina. And there are things na first time kong gagawin. So, yun yung challenge if you're working in the office. Kasi, hindi siya hindi siya redundant thing na gagawin mo everyday. You wouldn't know, masusurprise ka na lang. They need something, a file or kung ano man yan to prepare for them. Most of the time pa urgent. Hindi mo kayang pagsabay-sabayin lahat.
Bakit lalabas si Kuya Bale? Parang ganon? Ay, ganon. Eh, paano si ate? Nagtanong paano mo naging pinsan, paano mo naging pamangkin? Hindi naman.
Okay guys, so finally I'm home and time check is 7:35 p.m. What a long day. Imagine, tagal kong gising the whole day. And so this is my life guys. Now I'm going to open my laptop and I'm going to answer yung mga katanungan po ng mga Pilipino na nagbabalak pumunta rito sa Dubai at kung ano-ano pa about Dubai. Okay? That's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching English Carmo. Ciao! God bless you all! guys, good morning and thank you for watching English Carabao. Teka lang. Ngayon, maaga pa. Bilang Pinoy, kahit malamig, kailangan natin maligo. Teka lang, nagawin natin yung phone.